How to fix double tap not working on Instagram. So if that feature is not working on your Instagram, you may follow this step. First of all, close your Instagram completely and wait for a while, and you can restart the app or the device, or you can head over to available Google Play Store if you're on Android, like available App Store, Google Play Store for example, and head over to search and search for updates. Look out for Instagram here. Type in Instagram and then update your app to the latest version, because older versions may have bugs that may have affected the functionality. Another thing is you can check your internet connection, because if you don't have an internet connection you might be having that issue. So head over to your device's settings, open it up, and then from here you can head over to your connections tab on it. Look out for Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and look out for your connection, like strong and stable internet connection, if that is or not. If the issue still persists, you can try installing your Instagram application. Long press on it and go over and look out for install option. Click on it, confirm it, and again head over to your Play Store and download it again. If you have already tried above steps and the problem still continues, you can consider reaching out to Instagram support team for further assistance. But for now, you may follow up the steps. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. If you have got any questions, you can drop them down below, and we will see you in another one.